there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, we are going to dive deep into the marketing lab, and I am going to teach you my 5-step process for building an automated recruiting funnel. I know there's a lot of you out there who are either network marketing or in affiliate marketing. You are in a business opportunity and you want to know how to streamline the recruiting process so that you don't have to do a lot of the things that all of us hate, which is getting on three-way calls and doing face-to-face meetings and doing hotel meetings and parties and all that kind of stuff that really, in this day and age, we can kind of sort of eliminate and replace with funnels that will sort and present and close for us on our behalf without us actually having to be here. So, with that being said, in this video, I am going to show you my 5-step blueprint to creating an automated funnel that is designed to bring more people into your presentation, to watch your presentation automatically and decide to join right there. And if done right, the majority of prospects will close themselves because we are going to put all the information that a prospect needs to make a buying decision so that you can start generating automatic signups whether you are on your computer or not. So if you want to learn my 5-step funnel blueprint process, then keep on watching. Alright, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Now, before we get started, what I'm going to share with you right now is not theory. This isn't something that I saw somewhere and I'm just kind of regurgitating it without actually doing it myself. No, what I'm showing you is the same process that I use on a daily basis to expose people to my business presentation and automatically sign them up whether I am there or not. This isn't theory. This has resulted, what I'm going to share with you today has resulted in me sponsoring 250 people in less than 1 year in my primary company. It doesn't matter what kind of company you're with. It doesn't matter if you are in an affiliate marketing program or if you are in a network marketing program. As I've stated before on this channel, the front end, the recruiting process, the exposing people to the presentation is the same thing. The only thing that really changes is the actual business model and how it's paid out. But whether you're in network marketing or if you're in affiliate marketing, you still need to drive traffic, you still need to generate leads, you still need to build a list, you still need people to watch your presentation, you still need to close people, you still need to sign people up, and we can do this inside of this recruiting funnel. So with that being said, let's go into the marketing lab. Alrighty, so what I have done is I've basically mapped this out for you, so feel free to take a screenshot if you want, because this is the blueprint that is going to help you build a recruiting funnel that you can use and build for your network marketing company or your affiliate marketing program. Okay, so as you can see, there are 5 steps to this, even though step 5 is going to be the most tedious, ain't gonna lie. But it is part of the process that's going to help you convert more leads into actual signups, okay? So here we have the breakdown of our funnels. Before we get into the purpose of each component, let me just go ahead and show you what we have here, okay? So the first thing we have are ads, right? You need a marketing strategy. You can have your opt-in page, your bridge page, company presentation, and a follow-up, right? But if you are not getting exposure, if you are not getting eyeballs to your offer by driving traffic, none of this is going to help you. You have got to start creating a marketing strategy to drive traffic to this process. So whether you choose video marketing or blogging, whether you choose doing Facebook Lives or working Facebook groups, you need a way to drive traffic into your funnel Otherwise, nothing else matters, okay? So that's the very first component. A lot of people focus on, oh, I'm going to build a funnel, I'm going to build a funnel, but they forget the traffic part. And so it just depends on what strategy you are, you decide you want to do. Like for me, I'm a content marketer. I create content, so I use video marketing to distribute that content, and that's a great way for me to not only add value to my community, but I also drive traffic through my videos. So it's kind of like a triple threat, right? So I personally love that, and it's very newbie friendly. As once you get over the fear of being on camera, it's very newbie friendly and very budget friendly as well. So anyone can flip up a camera and start, sharing some value, sharing some content to start driving traffic to capture pages. Okay, so I highly recommend that if you don't have a big budget, or if you want to work smarter as far as building a brand and, doing things that are going to last, because video marketing, once I do these videos and they're up on my YouTube channel, they continue to drive traffic to my offers for days and months and years to come. So that's why I like video marketing, even if you have a budget. If you notice the trend, most high-level marketers, they're doing video marketing, okay? So I highly recommend that you just start there, because that's where you're going to get the most traction for the long run, all right? So now that you have your ad strategy in place, the second thing is we have our opt-in page. This is our lead capture page. This is where we build our list and capture people that may be interested in watching our company presentation. So from the ads, we're driving them to a lead capture page. This is the same thing as doing your list of 100 friends and family, right? Well, instead of doing a list of 100 friends and family, what you're actually doing instead is creating content, driving traffic, and let people decide for themselves if they want to be on your list, if they want to learn more about your business opportunity. So that's the second thing. The third thing, and to me, this is like one of the most important things inside of this funnel, it's called a bridge page. Now, a question that I get a lot is, Barbie, do I have to show my face to build this business? Well, I want you to ask yourself a question. Do you want to do business with someone that you don't know, that you're not sure you like, and that you definitely don't trust yet? We're all looking to do business with someone that we know, like, and trust. So basically, the bottom line is that the bridge page is your time to shine. It's your time to share your story, share the reasons why you joined your business opportunity, and give people reasons to click on that link right below your video so they can check out your company presentation. And if you are in affiliate marketing, in a business opportunity, I'm not talking about ClickBank, because you can kind of go, under the radar with just email advertising and stuff like that. But if you want to increase conversions, you want to build a brand, you want to put your face out there front and center, get people to know your name and seek you out, because once you do that, people are going to want to sign up with you. You are setting yourself apart, right? So that is one major way to set yourself apart. On the bridge page, after they opt in, before you send them to your presentation, you are going to share a little bit more about you. You're going to share about why you joined and set your prospects up for what they're about to see next, okay? So that is what the bridge page does. Now, the next thing is your company presentation page. Now, at this point right here, between the bridge page and the company presentation, you can do one of two things. I was just having a conversation with a focus group inside of my team this morning, and I told them, hey, listen, if your company has a really awesome presentation that is like really great video, it's really good at closing your prospects, then by all means, from the bridge page, this little button right here, you link them to your company presentation page. But if your company doesn't have a good presentation page, what you want to do is create your own. Now, what I like about creating my own is that I do have a little bit more control. I can add a little bit more photos of maybe me and my team. I can add a little bit more copy. I can share more reasons to join our team. I can have my bonuses on that page. I can have my marketing systems on that page. Really give them compelling reasons to join our team on that page. I don't have control if I'm just depending on what the company has, right? That's why I highly recommend that, especially if you want to set yourself apart, is that you use a more customized company presentation page, which is also like a sales page. But if you're brand new, by all means, you can just have the lead capture page, the bridge page. That is critical, where you connect with the people so that they can know, like, and trust you, and then directly link them to your company presentation page. If you're brand new, that would be the fastest way to go. But for more advanced users, I highly recommend creating your own company presentation sales page. Okay? Now, your prospect has, read your Facebook post and they clicked on your link and they opted into your lead capture page, or they've watched your video and that drove them to your lead capture page. And then they opt into the lead capture page and now they're on your bid page. They're making that connection with you. They're like, okay, I like this person. I want to know more about the business that they're in. And now they're on your company presentation page. They're learning more about your company, your comp plan, all your team bonuses and your systems. And now I'm not ready to join yet. Now what? And that's where your 7-day follow-up sequence comes into place. Now, I teach my team a concept that I learned from Walt Disney, and that is to plus it. Plus it is, how do I take something ordinary and make it extraordinary? How do I make something, that's just meh into something that's wow, something that's more memorable? So if you notice, I don't have a bunch of little envelopes here. Usually people have little envelopes to represent their follow-up email process. But I do things different. I plus it, and what I actually do is I create many little follow-up sales funnel pages inside of my funnel. And what I do is I share a video every single day for 7 days. On day 1, I tell you a little bit more about my opportunity. On day 2, I share a little bit more about my story. On day 3, I paint the picture of how you can make money. Then on day 4, I share more about our marketing systems and joining our team and the bonuses they're going to get, etc., etc. And by day 6, if they still haven't joined, I will throw in another affiliate offer in there and something that'll be of value to them. And then on day 7, I'm like, are you ready to make a decision? Are you ready to claim all your bonuses? So remember, the fortune is in the follow-up, and it can take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 10 times for someone to really check you out and be inside of your radar before they feel ready to actually join you. That is why it's so important that you have this process together. And once you have your opt-in page, your bridge page, your company presentation, and all your follow-up emails in place, guess what? Now you can drive as much traffic as you want through this process. And then what's going to happen is, as people are on day 3, for example, of your follow-up email, that person that is already on day 7, they may already start contacting you to join. You see what I'm saying? That's why it's super important to always focus on this part of the funnel, which a lot of people forget about, which is you have to learn how to generate those leads to send them through this 5-step process. Now, if you don't know how to generate leads, and that's kind of like your weak spot, if you look in my description box or right below this video, I've got some free lead generation training that could really help you out in this area. Now, if you think this seems like a lot of work, well, I ask you to look at what is the opposite of this. Sitting on the other side of this process is, do you want to be on the phone all day? Do you want to be chasing prospects on Facebook? Do you want to be doing 3-way calls? Do you want to be buying leads? Some people are great at it and some people are made for that. But for me, I've been there, I've been down that road, and for me, I much rather put my hard work and energy and time into this process, because once it's done, it's done. Once this process is in place, my only focus now is to create content or drive traffic through this process so that more people go down this process. My system helps me sort, present, and close without me actually having to jump on the phone or any of that stuff. And I can scale it because depending on your marketing budget, you can send $100 worth of traffic through here or $1,000 worth of traffic through here, and everyone is going through the same process without having to change anything, without having to do anything other than having this funnel in place. You can drive as much traffic through the system without doing any extra work once it's done. So if you're looking at this process and you're like, Barb, I want to do that. I want to sponsor 250 people using funnels online, and I want to learn how to do this too. Well, here's what you can do next. Inside of my team, Team Rise, inside of my digital marketing platform, I teach this stuff to my team. And as a matter of fact, I just created this for my team because we are about to launch an amazing network marketing funnel. So now is the time to position yourself inside of our team if you want to take advantage of this share funnel, which we will be releasing in a couple of weeks. So if you get started right now with a 7-day trial, you can check out our tools and you can basically get a feel for our marketing platform and our digital marketing tools so that you can learn how to start using them to build your business just like I do, just like I teach my team too. So if you want to learn more about that, then I invite you to go ahead and click on the link right below this video. And like I said, hey, if you are already with a funnel company or if you are already building funnels, but you just didn't know how to put all the puzzle pieces together, feel free to screenshot this and follow this blueprint and start putting these items into place so that you can have an awesome 5-step recruiting funnel that will result in automatic signups without you even having to be there. So hopefully this video helped. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, if you want to get positioned so that you can get access to this network marketing funnel that we will be launching in a couple of weeks inside of my team, you will need to be inside of the business plan to use our marketing tools and get access to our share funnels. So if you want to activate a 7-day free trial now to get ahead of the game, make sure to click on my links right below this video. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this helped you. If it did, again, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. I'll see you on another video. Bye.